I assume that you are here because you just typed in how to start a business online with no money. That is a really good question. No money is no money. But today it's possible to start an online business for a small amount of money for a few $100s. That makes it easy. But then first of all, you need to make the decision, you need to have the courage, to have the determination, to have the stamina. The biggest mistake that people make with a small business is that they treat it like a small business. Even though you only pay a few $100s for your business, treat it like a $1 million business, and then you can succeed. So I have made it easy for you, because if you click the big button below, you will get access to an ebook that goes through all the loopholes and the possibilities. So click the big button below and get instant access to the free ebook.